I had an event that happened last semester. I slipped on ice, knocked myself, really damaged my hip, and had to be taken to the emergency room. And I, in my pain, noticed hospital communication, and I don't want to lose this idea. Well, there I was, attempting to give a thumbs up with my wife in the room. And I asked her to take my phone and take certain pictures. Notice here, this was a sign on the door. The privacy of all ED. I wondered, well, what does ED stand for? Don't use jargon in your writing that other people may not understand. If you're an accountant and writing to accountants, jargon will be understood. But if you're an accountant talking to a customer, they may not. The second thing I stress is consistency. If they're going to have a period at the end of this sentence, there should be a period at the end of this sentence. And they failed in punctuation. Take a look here. Period. While, there should be a comma there. Oh, sorry. There should be a comma there. So they screwed up on punctuation. Now, we use visuals to communicate business ideas. And we do the same in business papers and slide decks. And here was their idea. You may have indeed seen this. I said it was beyond 9 in the hospital. So these were just some ideas that I picked up, and I didn't want to lose this slide deck.